Have you been annoyed by the Swscale-5.dll pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze the software's dependency and restore that missing file. As we prepare to fix Swscale-5 manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This DLL file is part of the FFmpeg suite, specializing in image scaling and color space conversion. It provides high-performance routines for resizing video frames and converting between pixel formats on PC. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. A damaged or incomplete FFmpeg installation can cause this error. Reinstall the latest official version of FFmpeg to restore required files such as the Swscale-5.dll. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Swscale-5 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like the Swscale-5.dll. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes the Swscale-5 library guidance. If this diagnostic helped you resolve the Swscale-5 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.